These super healthy fish tacos are packed with flavor. Place the tortillas in a baking tray, spray with a bit of oil, and bake for 7 minutes or until crunchy. In a big bowl, mix red cabbage, green cabbage, carrots, coriander, lime, salt, and cumin. Reserve. In a small bowl, combine smoked paprika, cumin, dried oregano, and salt. Pat dry the fish with kitchen towels and top with a mix of spices. Arrange in a baking tray and spray with cooking oil. Bake for 10 minutes. Serve the tacos with the corn tortillas, fish, and your favorite toppings.